Hey guys, we're riding through another park that we just acquired, and we want to give you a little bit of our park secrets, share with you some things that we look for, and how you can make money in these parks and what we look for. So the first thing when we drove into this park, we looked at they were bringing in newer homes. So that was a positive. That means it's a desirable area. People would live here, and again, you see there's a mixture of older homes and newer homes. So that tells us that one, the park is somewhat investor friendly, because they worked with us as far as the home we acquired in the park. This is a new home right here. Again, older homes. This is the home we just acquired, guys, with the trash in front of it. Again, we talked about it earlier, how we got them to get the trash out of the home, make them do the work, guys. You never want to do all of the work. If they want to sell the home, they have to do the work. So, and they're going to come back and pick all of this stuff up. But that's the home we acquired. But how we knew that this was a kind of investor-friendly park, because the mixture of homes that we saw. This is the home too, guys. You see. Solid home, guys, and we picked it up at a great price. So again, you see the older homes. What I want to show you guys is when we get to the front, how I knew that this was a great park. As you can see, and a lot of work they're doing to the park too, guys. They're changing out the electrical poles. They're doing dirt work for the pads. You see this truck up here, a transport truck. Again, we used to transport these things, so we kind of see what's going on. We know what's going on. This park is moving newer homes in. So again, that tells you that, one, most importantly, that this is a desirable area. Look at these guys setting this mobile home up. You see the little trans lift under the home towards the back. Here's their truck with the blocks and stuff. But again, newer homes, guys. But I want to show you guys something when I get to the front. Newer homes, guys. Look at these homes right here. This is a much older one. This is probably a 70s or 80s model. So those are grandfathered in. Look at this one, the roof on top of it. But you saw, guys, the yards are clean. Nice vehicles. They have dumpster service. All these cans are at the road. And look at this, guys. This trailer park is right across the street from a elementary school. So just think about it. A family would love to live here because their kids probably can just walk across the street. And I think this is a great school also. And you can see here too that they're offering some type of financing for these homes. Right here they have this sign right here for rent. And when I saw that the first day we came out here, you see that for rent sign, I knew that one, that they were investor friendly because it says for rent. And that tells me that probably a lot of these homes in the park they're probably investor, some rentals for investors, or the park rents them out. But guys, we're able to pick up a home in this park at a great deal. Park was investor friendly because they worked with us. So we have a couple of options to choose on how to exit out of the deal. So I just wanted to share these tips with you guys. Hopefully there's something that you can be looking for when you're riding through parks. And that's it.